doing? Yes. Hey, Ellie girl. Yes. Oh my, I have no idea what that is. You want to come see the baby calf? Okay. I know, dear. What does R1 mean?
R1 means I don't know.
Oh, okay. Hello. They're saying, I'm hungry. Where's my snack?
Look at their nose.
I know. They look a little silly. Like the one has boogers on it or something.
No,
it's like, do you need a Kleenex already? Okay, let's go in and see the baby, Ellie. Oh, gross. Oh. Hi, Penny. Oh, here we go. Oh, and that's a little gross. Oh, I don't care. It just looks a little gross. Oh, gross. It's a boo-boo.
The mom has to eat that, otherwise she'll not have a baby next year.
Really? What if it's just disgusting though?
Well, they don't really care how it tastes.
Really? Oh. I thought they cared if it was disgusting or not.
Only people that.
Oh, Penny. I don't care. Hello, boo. Oh, hi, Penny.
Now at least she looks half fat.
Half fat? What do you mean?
Because she was way fat when she had.
She was way fat.
Yeah.
That's kind of silly. Hey, baby, that's not where the milk comes out
I
at.
think that's a girl.
Oh, okay. I believe you. Hi, Penny. I am thrilled to see you too. What?
Hey, hey.
Hi, Penny. Yes, we're thrilled to see you too. Okay, Penny, let's stop licking everything.
See?
Yeah, I know. I still don't care. Maybe,
What if you had to eat that?
oh, I would barf a gazillion times.
No, I mean if you were a cow.
Oh, if I was a cow, well, I suppose I would then. If I was a cow. But if I was a cow, then you would be a cat. Hello, baby one. We're not showing what that mommy is doing. That's gross.
Yeah, if she had twins, she would have a lot to eat.
Oh, normal. How do you know these things?
Because I saw something.
Oh. Ooh, gross. Oh, seriously? Oh. Oh. It is a great time for pictures, Scott. Hi, Penny. Penny. Hi, Ellie. Oh.
Dad,
I think we have food or something. Hi. Yeah, it's okay. Hi. Hi. Yeah, it's okay. Oh, no.
look at those are litter squirts. That pen has really, really, really soft ones.
Like super soft.
And this pen has its little look at these little ones.
Oh.
This is so cute. We are here live.
Oh, careful. Look out. I think it's always funny when they try to nurse the mommy's ears. It's like, wrong spot, fellers, wrong spot. Hello. Hello.
Ribbit.
Don't they kind of sound like ribbits? No, what are you doing? Oh, for their creep? Well, can the babies still fit in there? Oh, there's babies over in their creep. Yes. Do you think they'll cuddle in there? Like, come on, babies. Okay, let's go take a look at the other sides, fellers. Okay. Well, there they are. They're kind of shy. Oh, yeah, here we go. Oh, should we look in that window at the end? Nobody's? Are you sure? It's like super sure. Maybe we should look at the window. Oh, Penny! You knucklehead. Penny, are you chasing something? I think they're kind of shy guys. No, just leave it there. Leave it there. Hey, bud, how you doing? Oh, good. I'm gonna go finish up getting supper ready, okay? No, Ellie, let's go around the other side. See, they still kind of sound like ribbits. Bigger? No, I know they're not babies. I know what babies look like. Hello?
Like 2 months old, Mom.
2 months old?
No, it was born 2 months ago.
Oh, I thought it was more than 2 months. Can we see in there? Do you need me to reach?
It's short.
No, you're not. Oh, Daddy didn't take the pens out yet.
See, they're big.
That's kind of funny when they trip over that. It's like, okay, now let's sneak around to the other side.
What do you mean? Oh.
Okay.
Wait.
I know I gotta get the block of wood at the top.
Okay. Okay, here we go.
We're going to show here.
See, there was one on the other side. It went out the other door, or went back in the other door. It's a good thing we didn't walk around in there. Hi, piggos. Oh, they see Penny. Hi, Penny. No need to be weird. Oh, somebody's going potty over there. Aunt Maggie said that whenever she sees livestock from the road, you know, whether it's cattle or whatever, one of them is always going to the bathroom. It's like, Aunt Maggie, really? Hi. What are you doing over there, Ellie? No, 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 no. We're not scaring them just for fun. See, the ones on the other side are even bigger. Okay, I gotta stand up here. Okay. Oh, Penny. What's Penny doing? What'd you do? Video. No, she's fine. I know. Oh, that one has poop on its butt. Gross. I don't think we saw anything gross by the pigs. Oh, no, no, no. Be nice to Penny.
The chicken mom is really still.
Well, Penny is looking for a pouncing time. It's like, can I just please pounce the chickens a little? You think Cooper would want to pounce the chickens? Ready, go. Okay, I think you're both silly.